Drive! Go, go, go!
He's got it. Mafia probably. Hey!
Hit.
Go round.
Pass gun. Can't throw grenades over! No grenades over!
Up the stairs.
Rebound?
Yeah, I spent this whole time trying to fix my fucking gun. Finally get the right and shot the stuff.
Hit!
Yep! Yep! He's got an angle in it.
I will allow you to take the jacket out if you raise the flag first.
Everyone on the top deck is dead!
Raise the flag, raise the flag.
You're behind camera, you're good.
I don't know where it's
Yeah, you can take the best out if you want to. You don't have to take them all out.
Surely that's all of them up there, isn't it?
One behind cover.
It's behind cover.
Right.
Yeah, it's good!
Sit that on me there.
Ryan, what's he down?
Can we move, John?
Yep, heading up to CQB now.
Reds!
Heading up to CQB!
It's clear, move up!
Moving up to CQB!
Dead man.
Hit!
Yeah, dead man!
Is this respawn now?
Yeah, pretty much.
Gary, if you want to move down
watch out. Left hand side. There. By that tree. That one there. Right, Reg, let's move. Hit. Oh my. Hit. This is respawn, boys. This is respawn. Reds, come on, we've taken it. This is your new respawn. Yeah. Is he still alive?
Hit fucking out. Yeah. Still hit.
Barry?
Yeah.
He's shooting full auto over here. What?
It's Jamie.
This guy here.
Got LMG.
Okay. He swapped sides then.
Yeah. Is that you, Jay? Hey, move forward. LMG.
I've got all day right here. Come on, Reds, let's move out.
I'd already banged it.
Hit.
Get in a line. Take him out.
But at the same time, I haven't started working. So. I held you guys on there for ages.
I knew you were in there somewhere.
Yeah, I knew you were behind me.
Keep going, Red. Well done, honest John. Keep pushing, Jack, in here. Keep pushing, Red, let's go!
Any idea?
Keep going, keep going!
Here, then, can't shoot shots. Ah, inside.
Hit!
Hit!
Well done, mate.
That's right.
One guy in the field near. I see your heads over the back behind Marshall though. I don't know if they're dead walking back or not. He's going to the window. The guy in the field as well.
We need to draw him out.
Where did he get fucking from? Yeah, the building in front that way, there's the guy in that window, big window.
We need to get this guy out in here. So we're not moving now.
Nice, he's done.
We need to get him. He's a good player though.
What do you reckon? Sneak round, one of us go
Well,
around to the
I'll try
window,
them.
one go to the doorway.
Yeah. You lure him out that way, I'll get him to the window.
Guys, do not shoot him if they have their hands up, please.
Hit! Come on, mate! Fucking hell! Hit! Keep pushing!
Back window, left side in the hut, in the fort at the back. You never know that.
Need to get to the back windows. They're at the back doors. You know, he's a marshal in there.
Yeah, I
but
was gonna say.
right over the back, right over the back. Watch the window. Someone pop a smoke in here. Just far side of the flag. Keep shooting at that window, mate. Keep his head down. Let's get this flag up. Nice one. Keep shooting at the windows. Shoot at the windows. Keep their heads down. Let's get that flag up. Shoot at the windows. Shoot at the windows.
Guys, cover the window.
Done. Captured. Move up.
Flags up. We move up now to trenches.
Move up. Let's go to trenches at the bottom. Go left to the bottom and push up. Let's go, boys.
Where's the flag?
Let's go find that fuel. Hit. You're over on the left.
Are you all born?
What, you got to get me into the van with the gas. Watch out, barricade above your head, mate.
Yeah. Do you see them?
Let's push on it, keep shooting it.
Before the flag was raised, so we've got to bring it back.
Hit. Times, let's move. Jerry cans down there on the left.
One just here. Two here, two here. Oh, shit, sorry.
I'll go. Hit. Keep him off out of it. Can't shoot me off, you grenaded. Let's push, push, straight down the middle. That'd be me. Let's go straight down the middle, boys. I think we should go straight through the middle, personally. If we go in there, they're going to go ambush us. If we go through the middle, we know where they are when they fire on us. We just come back and go again.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do the middle, boys.
Hey, who wanted to come on the caravan?
We allowed on this field yet, Marshall?
Have you got that? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh hello.
Let's go, boys, let's move. Hit! That's it, well done, mate. There's two on the right and all. Lay some smoke down, boys, let's go! Yoo-hoo! That's it, let's go! Yeah, yeah, yes! Let's move on to smoke! Come on, Reds, let's go! What's that corner building?
Where are they?
Right, oh, hit me. Take that can, mate, as far as you can.
I'm not going here. It's all good.
Where did you leave the thing? Where's the fuel thing?
That's it. Come on.
Where's the can gone? Where's the can? Where's the can, boys? Fuck's sake. Where did the can get dropped? We need the can!
It's over here. On the right. Guys behind the van! Guys behind the van!
Hit! Let's get it!
You got a van to catch?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, alright, let's get you there.
There's a guy in this bush right there. And here.
Right in the middle.
Hit. got me fucking dead. Bring that can.
Yeah. Right. You ready? I'm gonna run in 3.
Get to this one, get to this one.
Hey! Fucking hell.
Come back because there's only one of me. You're the only one up forward.
Yeah. Everyone else is just standing around.
There's still some behind the van.
Yeah, round that flank. And one in there. One on your left. He's hit, well done. Hit. Let's do it, all of ya. Go! All we gotta do is get in there! Who just shot me from the back? Come on, Regs, let's do it!
Get that can in the...
Yeah. Come on, everyone. Yeah, behind the van.
I can't remember
Come on, this.
Shoot in that bush. Hit.
Go!
Drive! Go! Woo!
Get out!
We're away! Well done, boys. I am shattered.
Ah. Hit.
Hit.
Good job, man.
Hits. Good reflexes.